Hey guys, I'm wearing the Holiday Sherpa, and that means it's a special episode. And today we're going to go over the top 5 gifts for a car guy. It's the holiday season, you're going to be buying stuff. We've got everything from the baseline at $9.99 all the way up to $3,000. So you'll want to stay tuned to see what made it on the list.
Hey guys, John Engel here, and I've got some great news. Today we're going to fix that by installing a brand new double din.
So today we're going to do an oil change and replace those. Alright guys, so let's get started. And the first thing that we want to do is make sure that everyone that's on a budget still gets stuff that they want, and also that the person that gets it will actually use. So there's a 12-piece set on Amazon. Now I'm going to put every link in the description, so anything that I show you today that you're looking for will be there. So the kit that I'm going to link to is a 12-piece kit, so it's going to come with even more of these. And what this is a trim panel removal tools. So these plastic things come in handy. When I was working on the Aston, you can stick them between the panels and they don't do as much damage as when you stick a screwdriver or something metal between it, but sometimes you do need that. And these little pry bars are amazing. So the kit comes with everything, all of these plus a pry bar. There's 12 different plastic pieces, and I promise you, anyone that does not have these will love it. It's one of those things that you don't realize that you need until you actually have it, but once you have it, you're gonna wonder how you lived without it. And for $7.99 to $9.99, depending on if they're still having their special or not, it is an amazing deal. Less than 10 bucks, 12-piece kit, really will make a car guy happy for the holidays. Next on Santa's list is something I can't live without. In fact, I probably have 20 or 30 of these floating around the garages on different cars. But if you've got a car guy that doesn't drive his car, especially in the winter, or as much as his daily driver, these things are worth their weight in gold. Not only are they fairly inexpensive, and I think these are somewhere in the 30s, and then I just ordered a new brand that Amazon says is the best, which is a NOCO. I'll include links to both of these in there, which is under $30. It saves you money right there because it will keep your battery so much longer. I've used these, I've been using these for over 10 years. Schumacher's a good brand and I really enjoy theirs. They're getting harder to come by. I don't know if Schumacher is kind of phasing these out because there's so many other brands, but I will tell you, a good battery, and I have to make sure I say this correctly or the other brand will come after me. A good battery maintainer will save your life. And it also makes it so much better when you want to go drive your car and it starts right up instead of sitting there and sputters and then you have to go get a new battery. This thing, amazing. Great Christmas gift. It's about 30 bucks. This one's probably 40 bucks, but the NOCO is 30 bucks. So 2 different price levels if you're looking for something really invaluable and really good for a Christmas gift. In fact, send them to me. I'd love to have all different brands of these. Please, thank you. Love you, Mina. Bye-bye. All right, any guy that is a car guy has to take care of his cars. And right now on Amazon, the chemical guys have like a 12-piece kit, and it's $100 that comes with the bucket. You get pads, you get soap, you get coatings, you get waxes, you get everything that you're gonna need to take care of the full extent of your car. They also have other packages that are a little less expensive, but for $100 for everything that you get, you're not gonna find a better deal. That's why I wanted to list this one. It is a great package, plus anyone that's a car guy, when they open this up and see Chemical Guys, they're gonna love it. Plus the smell of Chemical Guys products is amazing. All right, on our list, and you can tell that I'm already working on my Humvee. I've got a brake issue with that, but I've always got my Quickjacks around just in case something needs to be lifted up. These things worth their weight in gold. I got them for $1,000. The link that I had, they're up to $1,500, but you can find them around at other sites, and you can get these for about $1,000, but to be able to lift all 4 corners off of the ground at the same time, be able to remove the wheels, these things are worth it. And if you're looking to spend a little bit more than the rest of the items, this is a great way to do it. Last but definitely not least is the Porsche driving experience. And you guys, I'm going to link my video that I actually went there, got to test drive the Porsche 911 Turbo and the Porsche 911 GT3. it was an amazing day. Now you can choose different cars that you want to test drive, and depending on the cars that you choose depends on how much it will cost you. But this is a gift for the guy that either has everything or doesn't have a sports car that wants to experience the thrill. This is a great way to do it. You drive their cars, doesn't matter. If it breaks, they pay for it. So it is an amazing day, and the video that I had doesn't do it justice. It's really worth every penny that was spent on it. And it was something that I was a little apprehensive about. When I first got it as a gift, I was like, this is nice, but I've got tons of cars. Why do I want to do it? It takes all that fear out of it. You get in their car, get to drive it full extent, full bore, doing 360s and drifting, and then it's even got laps that you can do around their track as fast as you're wanting to go. Now, this one is a little bit more expensive, but whoever gets this gift is absolutely gonna love it. That's why I had to put it on here. It is an amazing trip. You will have such a fun time. Don't forget to stay for dinner because the Porsche Experience has fine dining upstairs, and you'll wanna give that a try. All right, guys, I hope you liked my top 5 Christmas gifts for a car guy. I think anybody is going to appreciate it, and it's a little bit of everything in the spectrum from, $10 all the way up to $1,000 or so. But there is an honorable mention, and this GOOLOO jump pack is amazing. Not only is it amazing, but the company stands by their stuff. I had one go bad, they asked no questions. In fact, they didn't even make me return the original. I gave them the serial number and they sent me this new one, which has been amazing. So not only do you get everything in the kit so that you can jump start a car, and this little jump pack can do an 8-liter gas engine or a 6-liter diesel engine, which is amazing. Plus it's got a whole bunch of ports for USB on the top. It also has a flashlight. So it does a lot more than just jumping your car. However, the few times that I have needed this, it has been invaluable. I took one of the cars out that I didn't have a battery charger on it, started up fine, drove it to the gas station. Thank God I had this with me because it wouldn't start. All I did was plug in the jump pack, put this on there, and it started right up. These little things are worth their weight in gold as well. Everything in here is worth their weight. Some are just less weighing than others, so they're cheaper, I guess. Anyway, these things are really good. This is about 70 bucks. Any car guy is gonna love getting this for Christmas. I really can't thank you guys enough. We are almost at 10,000 subscribers. This is my 3rd year doing YouTube, and you guys make it worthwhile to me. I really want to wish you guys the happiest and healthiest holiday season that you can have. Make sure that you subscribe. Stay tuned. Lots more coming next year.